प्रमुख क्षमताओं के प्रबंधन पर एक साथ कल की ओर नाम से IBS लखनऊ, एसोचैम यूपी और एसोसिएशन ऑफ नॉलेज वर्कर्स के तत्वाधान में होटल ताज में आज एक दिवसीय कार्यशाला का आयोजन किया गया।
I've been interacting with my lovely participants since morning. It's afternoon now, and we've nearly covered 3/4 of the seminar. And I'm sure that our participants would be leaving Lucknow, leaving this workshop with some kind of a resolution and some new thoughts. See, what trainers can at best do is stimulate thinking, and that is my purpose. I cannot guarantee a permanent change in behavior, but in this short possible time, we can definitely stimulate thinking and make them think, which I think, subject to verification from your end.
मैं एक सेमिनार कर रहा हूं और मैंने देखा है और मैं बोला यार तू इतना क्यों नाराज हो गया यार उस आदमी पे, क्या करूं अजय जी यार, मेरा तो टेम्पर निकल जाता है। बॉस, अगर तू लीडर है तो यू हैव नो राइट टू हैव टेम्पर, बिकॉज यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड फॉर लीडरशिप। तू तेरे को सबसे ज्यादा मैच्योर बिहेवियर दिखाना है। अगर तू ही स्थितियों में, these are testing times. So जब हमारा क्या होता है, अधैर्यता हो जाती है। When situations come, we don't tend to be very, very responsible with our communication, and problem create हो जाती है। Because जब हम कहते हैं परफॉर्मेंस को इंप्रूव करना है, तो एक फॉर्मूला लिख लीजिए कहीं पे भी, P is equal to W into A, where P is performance, W is willingness of the employee, and A is ability of the employee. Because you build great organizations, or will you like people to remember you कि जो बना था उसको सबको times are different. और तब कहीं ना कहीं कोई स्पार्क मिलेगा, and I'm sure that each one of you will be able to provide the best of leadership.
Say this, there is also a possibility that you are leading the other person to the realization of his or her mistake.
Advantage by which he will perhaps be able to excel and do well in the particular profession in which he is there. Yes or no? And I can tell you, my friends, take it from me, मेरे को वो अपने change करोगे, वो skills है। लेकिन this is a competency because it enhances your overall. All right, why do you think I should pay you 2 paisa more? Bhai sahab, he can jolly well ask that company, why do you think I should pay you 2 paisa more? Maybe NTPC would be in a position to say, we have a competitive advantage. Now what is the competitive advantage? बॉस उनकी अगर एक यूनिट बंद हो गई तो हमारा प्लांट बंद हो जाएगा। लेकिन हमारा जो कंट्री में जियोग्राफिकल प्रेजेंस है, राइट, अगर हमारे कोरबा में हम अटक जाएंगे तो हम आपको सीपत से दे देंगे, सीपत में अटक जाएंगे तो सिमाद्री से दे देंगे, हमारा जो ये जियोग्राफिकल नेटवर्क है, करेक्ट और नॉट, कि हम आपको कहीं से भी बैलेंस कर देंगे, राइट?
There is a question of interpersonal conflict between the parallel or diagonal communication between the two vertical spans of management. The initial lesson was harsh to some extent. He should have asked for some more time, or the person from the finance department would have given a patient hearing to him also. Or they should have they should have discussed with their senior bosses and should made up a time so that they could have discussed the more rationally.
Where do you find things went wrong? Approach, body language, choice of words. Pick up something from that clip.
The body language was poor.
Where did you find that the body
And
language?
the initial body language of the approach of the sales department was poor,
Approach was not good.
not good.
So what?
And the finance department would have given a person hearing what he is speaking, how much time it will taking, what is the gist of the proposal. He also
Whose fault is here?
मैं क्या बताना चाह रहा हूं, नया संकल्प, नई सोच क्या, चीजों की जानकारी प्राप्त करने हेतु आपकी दिलचस्पी को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, चीजों को जानने की तीव्र इच्छा पैदा करनी पड़ेगी, चीजों को एकदम परफेक्ट करना। अभी क्या है, समस्या तो गंभीर है, कई लोग बोलेंगे छोड़ना यार, ये हाथ पर लगेगा हो मुन्ना भाई, राइट? टारगेट लेके लगे रहिए भैया, बीच में कहीं गुदगुदा जाएंगे ना, बस हौसला रखिए। अरे पीठ अगर सीधी नहीं है तो दिमाग कैसे सीधा होगा? पीठ सीधे 5 -5, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा प्रयास है, लेकिन इस 5 को बनाने में आपको कितनी स्टिक लगेगी? 1 2 3 4 5 5 स्टिक ये लग गई, एक इधर लग गया 6, 5 स्टिक होने से 6 स्टिक होने से आपका आंसर राइट हो जाता। प्रयास आपका बढ़िया है पर रिसोर्सेस कम है। क्लाइंट बोलता है भैया 50 उसे बेस्ट से बेस्ट बताओ। Where we will be able to handle disagreements politely. Normally जब हमसे कोई लोग disagree करता है तो हम reactive हो जाते हैं। We will have to learn to value differences. Helpless mentees can extract. Now we are looking at the qualities of a mentor. Soft spoken. जो करना चाहते हैं वो आखिर उसमें मदद। Cultivating and retaining the wide variety of interests I have today. Crucial difference is what? What do mentors do? They make you believe in yourself. Intellectual debate. Who would share unreservedly the wisdom garnered over long years? From whom I could learn and thus not have to reinvent the wheel. कितना टाइम है, कितना रीइन्वेंट करेंगे? आज तो इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सप्लोजन है, तो जो लोगों के अनुभव और उनसे सीखा जा सकता है फटाफट सीख लीजिए। दिस इज द स्टफ मेंटर्स आर मेड ऑफ। ग्रेट थिंग्स कम इन स्मॉल इनॉक्युअस पैकेजेस।
Culture, working for Power 6 as a planning engineer. The thought that impressed me is stimulus and reactions, responses are the result of our paradigm ingrained in our brain as a result of our history.
Beautiful. I would also like you to add whatever is your key learnings, etc., in something to do with how can you help us to perform better as a team. Okay, so I'll visit you again. Right? Also think key learnings को कहीं ना कहीं skew तो करना पड़ेगा ना in terms with the immediate objective of the right. This is the kind of style that we use. But possibly look upon it. There is what is a concept of mutual goal setting. Mutually agreed goals. See, when we are goal setting in a team, single-handedly, and when we are not obtaining a buy-in, the problem still continues to be ours. So the other fellow is spending wonderful nights. It is who we are not spending. We are spending sleepless nights. And normally I have seen that people do not go into a process of mutually agreed goal setting. But the prime philosophy should be such that I should mutually, because in team effectiveness, there is a very important element of what is known as a shared vision. It should not only be excess vision, till such time it becomes the vision of the person who is already performing, the passion will not. So we have to make our vision, which is a particular
certain expectations so and so which are expected of students. And we are into the industry. There are certain expectations of the industry also from the students. Tomorrow you are going to be our future. So today possibly we will try to discuss in terms of what are the industry expectations from the students in general. In terms of the changing business environment, what are the new competencies that we expect from students? Because the topic is, what does it say? Winning strategies. It's not losing strategies. Right? At the end of the day, all of you should come out more robust. Right? You have some skill sets are already available with you. I'm sure all of you are very positively minded because I respect the CA course. What would be some of the winning strategies that will help you to come out successful as a student? Then some of the winning strategies which will help you to come out as a brilliant individual, and some of the strategies which will make you feel good about yourself and which will help you to have a continuous buoyancy in your life, which will put you onto an upward spiral of growth so that कभी भी आपको पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखना पड़े. जो भी यहाँ पे पदाधिकारी हैं, Mr. Manish and other, हम लोगों की क्या इच्छा है यार, that all of you should do very well in life. And none of us need to recommend you to any industry or there should be, based on whatever has been my experience dealing with students in general, we will try to touch upon these topics, and I can assure you that at the end of this, I will take some feedback from you also. You will have increased self-confidence, number one. Winning strategy अपनी बनानी पड़ेगी, और winning strategy, right? किन चीजों से winning strategy बनती है? जिसको मैं कहता हूँ, right? AML, मेरा फॉर्मूला है ये सब, AML, right? Attitude, motivation and leadership.